All right, let's take a look at this. Everybody was excited because Judge Aileen Cannon denied Trump's attorney's motion to dismiss all 32 counts of this of the charges in this Mar-a-Lago case with these classified documents. Everybody's like, oh my gosh, she done denied it. Oh my gosh, she might be doing the right thing. No, she not. No, she not. And I'm gonna tell you why. Take a close look at what we're about to read. Denied without prejudice is the first thing, right? What does that mean? Denied without prejudice means that it's denied, but if you want to ask me again the same thing, I'm not going to take this decision right here into consideration, so you can raise it again. Then she goes on to tell them how to do it. For this reason, rather than prematurely decide now whether application of 18 USC section 793 in these circumstances yields unsalvageable vagueness despite the asserted judicial glosses, the court elects to deny the motion without prejudice to be raised as appropriate in connection with jury instruction, briefing, and or other appropriate motions. So what does that mean? When you get to that point where you're at jury instruction, basically she's saying, let's pause. Let's wait until the trial starts. Let's wait until all the evidence has been presented. Let's wait until all the evidence has been presented and the jury has been given instruction as to how they should deliberate, so forth and so on, right before they go into the deliberation room and make a decision. Let's wait until that point. Because at that point, guess what it applies? Double jeopardy. Double jeopardy applies. And if double jeopardy applies and she decides to dismiss those charges, guess what? He cannot be tried again for these same charges. That means the prosecution, which is the DOJ, would have to come with a whole new set of charges for this specific crime. So really, this is not nothing to be glad about. This is a trick. It's a slick trick by Aileen Cannon, who's trying to do her best to do the bidding of Donald Trump. Nobody should be excited. What we should be doing, we should be trying our best to encourage special counsel to get this woman recused. Take her ass off the bench, because clearly, just like everybody else in Trump's orbit, she's a bootlicker. Take Aileen Cannon's ass off the bench. I'm telling you, if Jack Smith does not go and file a motion to have her recused, this is going to be a mess. He is going to get away with it. And I mean, at the end of the day, he has a whole bunch of other charges going against him as it is, but he should not be able to get away with nothing. This is not okay. Like, the part that pisses me off about this the most is that all the rest of us have to follow the rules. All the rest of us have to go to court for bullshit, traffic tickets, and you name it. We have to be held accountable for our actions. If we lie, if we cheat, if we steal, if we are corrupt, if we are salacious, if we are if commit infidelity, you name it. Congressmen, political figures have been canceled for way less. And this guy gets to do whatever the F he wants and gets away with it. This is insane to me. So this is crazy. He cannot be allowed to get away with anything. So if there's an opportunity to fix this now, to nip this in the butt and try to, provide some type of recourse to make sure this is a fair trial, then do it. So I hope that Jack Smith and the special counsel, the team, everybody in charge, everybody involved, request that she be removed, because this is a trick. It's a stunt, and it's very clear. She put it in writing. She said, without prejudice, I'm gonna dismiss without prejudice, and then she goes on to say, but this is how you can get it done. Come on, y'all. Really?